How to recover deleted Facebook photos. So if you have deleted your Facebook photos and now you want to recover it, then this video might help you. Make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I am at the home page of Facebook, from where you will be able to explore to various feeds and reels over here. As the first step, you need to tap over the 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner. And here you have to tap over the settings option right next to search bar in the right upper corner. So here you have to scroll down a little bit, where you'll be able to see your information, under which there is download your information, or there is also transfer a copy of your information. You can simply go for download your information, or if you want to transfer a copy of your whole information, then you can also go for next and go for the further process. But better you can go for download your information, and here you have to go for request download. So since I have linked my Instagram account with my Facebook account, both of the accounts are available over here. You just can tap over Facebook, and if it's needed, then you can tap over the Instagram and go for next. And a complete copy is available. You just have to go for complete copy, because it will have all of your informations related to your account. And here you can select your Gmail account in which you want to have the download, and you can go for format, and you can also select the format. You can also check your media quality, that might be either medium or high or low. And after doing that, you can go for submit request at the button, and after a few days Facebook will send you a notification when the download is ready, and you'll be able to have that. With that, you'll also be able to have the photos of your Facebook. So this is how you recover deleted Facebook photos. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.